Welcome back. Today's Anuvaka is a prayer for begetting sharp intellect. The Vedas always tell us that our strength comes from within, and for that, Agni, or the burning passion within us, is what is very important. This again is another prayer in that line, wherein we seek the blessings of Lord Vishnu, which, as we know, is the energy which is prevalent in the whole universe. And that Agni, which when it burns, is a passion to do things properly. And that thought process itself is lying within us as a coiled serpent. That coiled serpent, or what we refer to as the nervous system in modern medicine, is what enables us to think better and live a better life. And in this connection, imagine the way in which we are told this factor by the depiction of Lord Vishnu on Ananta. What is it? If you refer to the symbol in the Sri Padmanabha Swami temple in Trivandrum, you can see it for yourself. The Vishnu, or the eternal, all-pervading energy, is lying on a coiled serpent. That means the ultimate energy is present within you as Agni, and that is always resting in your nervous system. That is your thought process. And that is what we pray to Lord Vishnu. Oh Lord, please empower me by making my internal Agni glow like a big fire. That means the eternal Lord is present throughout the world, and you are only one part of it. The God is eternal, but each one of us has a fixed lifespan. Like the Veda says, Shadamanam Bhavadu Shadayu. What does it mean? It means that human life is destined to be 100 years. And this, let us remember, was mentioned in the Vedas 5,000 or more years back. And now, the medicine as we know it, it confirms that the standard lifespan of a human being is 100 years. So, be Shadamanam Bhavadu Shadayu Shadendriya. So, we have 100 years of life and hundreds of capabilities. That is what, after every puja or every function in your household or temple, the priests and the elders bless you with that. Be blessed with 100 years and be blessed with hundreds of capabilities. And pray to Lord Vishnu to realize that hundreds of powers within you by strengthening the coiled serpent or the thought process or the Ananta by the blessings of Lord Vishnu. So may Lord Sri Padmanabha bless each one of you. The next Anuvaka is a prayer to Lord Somadeva to achieve ultimate bliss. So stay tuned and kindly subscribe to this channel.